Wait.
I've often dreamed of a far-off place where our heroes would be waiting for me, where the crowds would turn, where they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be." I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be strong, I'll know every mile will be worth my life. When I go the distance, I'll be down a long road to when the rains my face. Though the road may wander, it will lead me to you. And 1,000 years will be worn away. It might take a lifetime, but somehow I'll see it through. And I won't look back. I can go the distance, and I'll stay on track. No more empty feet. It's enough with love, but I won't lose hope till I go.